So this is Nathan Oakley's Flat Earth Debate 1477, and this was today's, and I actually heard this live. So what are you going to listen to? You're going to listen to one of the panelists called Stacey, and you're going to listen to her claim and then the response from the Flat Earth Debate team. I don't think there's any commentary needed, because once you hear the claim and once you hear the lack of response or lack of setting this lady straight, you will understand exactly where I'm coming from. Here we go.
Can I ask a sincere question since you're talking about moons a second ago? And the whole blue moon conversations recently is, how are they predicting blue moons if they have to base it on the atmosphere and the conditions of the atmosphere for a blue moon? But aren't they only blue to our eyes because of the atmosphere, and they're claiming refraction? That's why we're seeing it blue, and they'd have to know the atmosphere conditions for it to even be that color?
Color related questions, if it's specifically about the color blue, then you're asking the wrong
Right,
person.
like why it is blue to us.
I'm
and it would
colorblind.
be claimed it would be the atmosphere, correct?
Someone else can answer. Don't know. Not very good with colors.
I wouldn't go on anything they say, Stacey. It's all a load of rubbish. Anything they tell you is all based on some pre-assumption and belief, isn't it? Always.
Oh, absolutely.
So they're telling you. I mean, the truth. Why the moon does what it does and has different whatever colors sometimes. I mean, they can make an explanation for that particular time. But then when nearly exactly the same situation happens at a different time, they don't get the same result. Because they have to come up with a different story for that other time. Because they have to have many different stories that contradict each other. So I'm not getting smarter with you about it. I'm just saying, yourself. Any explanation they give you, you may as well forget about it and go actually look yourself, isn't it?
But I do want to say, I've seen plenty of pictures of like where the moon seems to just take like the same kind of tint or color that the sky is behind it. Like,
right, and that's what I was looking at. The blue moon is the reactionary reason is blue. The color blue to us is because of the atmosphere. And I'm thinking, well, how the hell are they predicting if we're going to see a blue moon? It's going to be blue to us in our eyes because it's based on the atmosphere. So I was just kind of in my head wondering that.
Yes, Stacey, it's definitely in your head. And because you're saying prediction, I mean, you can't claim now that it's like a blue moon that's just a blue moon because of the ash that's in the atmosphere due to some kind of volcanic eruption. The idea of predicting a blue moon means that you are actually going down the known blue moon route and asking why the moon is blue, which it isn't. It's not really blue. Why are you saying it's blue? Oh, dear me. Oh, right. Okay. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.